Welcome to our guide on how to forward a bank statement from the business mailroom to the Reconciliation Center. Let's begin. Start by logging into your Docket account. To access the business mailroom, click on Documents in the top menu and choose Mailroom. To forward the document, click on the ellipsis icon represented by 3 dots and select the option Forward from the menu list. Select the business to which you want to forward the bank statement from the business mailroom. Then, choose the Bank Statement checkbox and click on the Continue button to proceed. Choose the account associated with the bank statement and select the date of the statement. Then, click on the Continue button to proceed. After clicking Continue, you will be able to view the document in the Bank Statements section of the Month-End Documents within the Reconciliation Center. If you have selected a month for which the bank statement is already uploaded, you will get this error, "Bank statement already exists." To resolve this, check the month entered and verify the existing entries. If you get the error, upload a statement for the date. Mark the period as no statement available. This means that to upload a bank statement for a specific month successfully, you need to have a bank statement uploaded for all the previous months. If a user doesn't have a bank statement for the previous month, they can also mark it as no statement available. And there you have it. You have now learned how to forward bank statements from the mailroom to the Reconciliation Center. Thanks for watching this video. Check out our How to Videos playlist to watch more videos like this.